We got two beautiful German-made cars in the garage today. This beautiful Audi S4 and another beautiful BMW M8 Competition series. We're doing a little bit of everything here. We've got full front paint protection film on the Audi, and we're going to do a two-step compound polish followed by ceramic coating on the BMW. So in here early, getting the cars prepped, and once the crew shows up, we can start rolling. So this car here, the customer knew better than to put a coating on the front parts where I was going to be wrapping from past experience. So if you take a look, the water is not beating off, but when you come over here, the water is just rolling off the car. Looks like he may have gotten a little bit spread on the front fender, but no big deal. We'll get that off. But the important thing is there's no coating on the front end. That's important, people. If you're gonna get your car wrapped, you do not want to coat your car before we put the film on there. It defeats the purpose. The whole purpose of a coating is to prohibit things from sticking to the paint. So you can't wrap a car when there's a ceramic coating on there, or any kind of coating for that matter. It's a wrapper's nightmare. Joe from Cover Up Solution here. This vehicle had a ceramic coating applied at the dealership. During the wash process, it didn't appear to have a coating on it in terms of the water beating off or anything. It didn't give me any kind of reaction that would apply that it was coated. We went forward with the film install and had a hell of a time getting the film on there. We ended up wasting a lot of time and film. You waste all the film! We had to end up buffing the ceramic coating off. Getting the film to stick properly, ceramic coating is going to make the installation job really, really difficult. I speak on behalf of all the paint protection film installers in the world. Please do not apply any ceramic coating or wax or sealant on the paint before bringing it to have the film installed. Basically, you have all the watermarks. We've got some abrasions. So this is not going to come out with a simple one-step polish. We need to do a compound and then a polish. So he's got all the right technique. Notice how he's taking his time and he's moving the machine back and forth very slowly, making sure that the polishing pad is actually doing its job. By using both hands, he's got the cord over his shoulder so the cord isn't rubbing up on the paint, causing even more damage as he's polishing it out. There's a misconception that you need to put a lot of pressure down on the pad. That only wears out the gears, it wears out your pad. With a quality machine and a quality pad and compound, you don't need to put a lot of pressure down. It overheats the surface. So right now the pad is doing its job and it's cutting into a very, very minor bit of the clear coat, all right, like microscopic, doing its job, doing what it needs to do to remove the defects. Sometimes the pad doesn't want to spin. Doesn't matter, because the kind of machine that we're using, it's not only going in a circular motion, but it's going up and down as well as sideways like this. So one way or another, the machine is actually still doing its job. It's like playing the violin. So we just finished polishing the car. Ryan is going around wiping all of the solvents from the compound and polish. So what we did basically, obviously in the beginning, we wash it, we decontaminate it, we degrease it, we clay it, and then we went ahead with our compound. We spent a good 9 hours between the two of us compounding the whole car. And then we washed it again. All right, we foamed and pressure washed it and broke down all the compound dust, washed it off, got the car ready for a polish to bring out the gloss and you know, the more fine polishing, if you will, after doing a compound. And now that we're done with the polish, we're going around, we're cleaning it. Again, we're getting rid of all the solvents, and we're gonna get it ready for our coating, okay? So this car, the paint looks 99% better. I mean, it's amazing what a difference this paint came out to be. All right, so stay tuned. We're gonna get the coating on soon, and this car will be ready to go with the new owner. All right, well, there you have it, folks. 2 days of a lot of work. White BMW, 2-stage paint correction, compounding, polish, ceramic. Ryan, would you like to come and say a word? No? Man of so many words, you got nothing to say? Nothing at all? What are you, camera shy? Come here, Ryan. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. You wanna hug it out, bitch? Let's hug it out, come on. Anyway, that's it. 2 days, 2 guys, a lot of work. I think the customer is going to be very happy. The only thing about this car that I don't like is this parking permit right here. I don't know what the deal is with this, but I'm going to hide it for the sake of the overall picture of the. Go ahead, take a walk around. And right now, Ryan is using both hands to properly get, you know, good. What's it called? What do you call this? Mechanical?
Take 12.
Take 12.